Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to completely tear down an LG refrigerator compressor to find out why LG linear compressors keep failing and why the control board flashes 3 times.
Cutting open the top of the compressor to get inside is tough, but we have to do it to understand why these compressors keep failing. I'm probably the first to do this in Canada, so watch the video closely, guys.
Damn, man.
I think we're almost there. Hang in there, guys.
Oops, all right. Whew. Okay. Okay. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Really? Okay, let's see. Let's be back here. Yeah, let's see it, huh? So we're going to open it from here. Technically, it was like that. Wait. Okay.
I think the amount of oil they put in these compressors isn't enough. That might be why they fail so quickly. Compared to traditional compressors, there's barely any oil inside. Now that we've taken it apart, we're going to find exactly where the problem is and what's causing the compressor to stop working and trigger an error code on the main board.
Okay.
The screws were really tight. I had a bit of trouble loosening them.
Oh shit.
If you're about to take it apart like I just did, be very careful and hold it properly, because it can pop out toward your face. Make sure you hold it firmly and loosen the screws little by little. For your safety, you can always wear gloves. I personally don't use them because I need to feel things with my fingers, which is why you can see some cuts on my hands. But if you're more comfortable with safety gloves, you should definitely use them.
That's it.
From what I can see, the mechanisms inside don't look very complicated. I think there might be a small issue, but we'll see. Let's keep taking it apart.
Uh-huh. Okay then.
This part is probably the one that compresses the R600 gas in the refrigerator system.
It's compressing that. Where's the sensor?
Before opening it, I thought LG Compressors had some kind of internal protection system that could detect a compressor failure, but that's not the case.
Here.
Keep watching, you'll be surprised, just like I was.
Don't know. Okay. So I find the problem. Probably one of these two pin burn, and then it's not giving continuity, and then it's giving an error code. So that's why probably the board is blinking 3 times because of this over here.
Sorry because of my flash.
Technically, we can
Sometimes
fix that.
it's not very clear. Not will, but some pictures in the
I'm
end.
not gonna fix it because it's taking too much time. So guys, everything is fixable, but you just have to know. If I can open that, there's a magnet. So where is that? So it's my. But I was very interested to see why these compressors. I don't know what is this thing. So I'm gonna maybe clean it and open it. Okay, it opens. Check it out there. So, most important part is probably here. Shoot. Okay. Hold up. Let's do it magnet here. Okay. So if it's open, hold up. It's inside. Not. Okay. Well.
The only problem with this compressor was in the winding where the pins burned out. Basically, it's the winding's fault. Cheap materials or not enough winding made it fail quickly. If the connectors and materials were better, it would have lasted much longer. This one only made it about 2 years. Basically, if those 3 pins are fixed, the compressor should run like it used to and work fine. But taking everything apart and putting it back together takes forever and requires a lot of tools, like cutting straight and soldering or brazing. I didn't have enough tools, so that's why I did what I did. Yes, it is repairable, but whether it's worth it is another question. That's for you to decide. In Canada, a compressor or repair can cost several $100s, often around $500 to $900 or more for parts and labor. So you tell me if it's worth fixing. Thank you everyone for listening. The reason why I made a video like this was simply to understand why so many LG compressors were burning out. And as you saw in the video, we found the problem and the real reasons why these LG compressors were failing. It's something very stupid, honestly, but that's the real reason. This is also the reason why the LED behind the LG refrigerator near the control board blinks 3 times. It indicates a compressor problem. The issue is that one of the compressor pins no longer has continuity, which sends an error code to the refrigerator's main control board. For more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and especially leave a comment. It really motivates me to make more videos like this. Thank you, everyone. To conclude, like I said, I'm showing clearer pictures at the end so you can see better. As you can see, the pins are burned.